Behold, abundance favor. Behold, abundance open door.
Freedom Word Assembly International, aka Chapel of Grace, presenting a 3-day super-packed crusade, well known as Sound of Abundance, SOFA 2025. Theme: Fruitfulness in the Land, with Reverend Host Apostle John
Sagu,
Guest speaker from Switzerland, Evangelist
Chioma Jesus,
Guest artist, Sound of Abundance 2025. Date: Friday 14th to Sunday 16th February. Time: 4:30 p.m. daily. Venue:
Aba Yumocham Primary School, Aba.
Featuring the Word, salvation, deliverance, music. Come expectantly, and you will go victoriously.
Now victory upon victory is sure.
I can hear the
Sound of abundance.
I can see it rain.
Raining in abundance.